Hi guys, let's discuss about the fourth phylum Platyhelminthes. First question: the study of worms causing parasitic infestation in humans is. Answer: Helminthology. Next question: flame cells are excretory organs of. Answer: Platyhelminthes. Next question: in flatworms, the excretory organs are. Answer: solenocytes. Next question: the excretory structures of flatworms. Answer: flame cells. Next question: parasitic animals have well developed. Answer: reproductive system. Next question: puberillarians are. Answer: free living flatworms. Next question: class Trematoda includes. Answer: flukes. Next question: liver fluke belongs to the class. Answer: Trematoda. Ninth question: alimentary canal is absent in animals of the class. Answer: Cestoda. Next question: Miracidium larva occurs in the life cycle of. Answer: liver fluke. Next question: Cercaria stage is found in the life cycle of. Answer: Fasciola. Next question: stage of the life history of liver fluke when it infects the intermediate host is. Answer: Miracidium. Next question: shedding of proglottids in tapeworm is called. Answer: apolysis. Next question: digestive system is not found in Taenia. Next question: anaerobic respiration is likely to occur in. Answer: tapeworms. Next question: the secondary host of Taenia is. Answer: pig. Next question: Cysticerus is the larval stage of. Answer: tapeworm. Next question: Taenia saginata differs from T. solium mainly its absence of. Answer: hooks upon scolex. Next question: Cystosoma is a parasite found in. Answer: blood. Next question: flame cells are the excretory organ of. Answer: planaria. Next question: solenocytes are the main excretory structures in. Answer: Platyhelminthes. Next question: which larval form of cystosoma enters this snail? Answer: Miracidium. Next question: the number of testes in each mature proglottid of Taenia is. Answer: many. Next question: bladder worm stage of Taenia solium is. Answer: cysticerus.